Welcome back to Swat&Vee Immigration News. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about 5 ways of getting a green card. Let's get into the video. For centuries now, United States has been a popular country to visit, and for almost as long, people have been wanting to live and work in the USA. The American dream is an idea known and loved by people around the world, and the first step to achieving it is to get through the red tape. It can be a difficult process that takes time, paperwork, and patience, but if it is what you really want, it will feel like the easiest thing in the world. You can even lead to becoming a United States citizen. Here is how to get a green card. 1. If a family member lives in the USA, the easiest and most popular way to get one is to have a relative petition to grant you one. All they have to do is to fill out Form I-130, petition for an alien relative. Once it's correctly filed out and approved, you can come to the USA and fill out a second form which will qualify you for a card. If you can't get your United States family member to participate, you can also complete the process exclusively on your end. You just have to work with the US Immigration Services and they can help you through the process. 2. If your employer lives in the USA. If you were offered the chance to work in the United States, your employer can petition for you to get a green card. The employer just has to fill out a form on your behalf. Once it's approved, you will get a visa that will allow you to come to the US to fill out the rest of the paperwork. You can complete this process within or outside the US, but you will need your employer's help regardless. If you are living in the United States at the time of this process, you will also need to complete several items such as the USCIS, medical exam, and inspection. 3. If you are an entrepreneur. If you are a wealthy businessman or woman, you can invest in the USA economy and earn the right to live there. The investment has to create or maintain at least 10 jobs and has to be at least $1 million, or it can be at least $500,000 in certain qualifying areas. Once that is done, you can come over, even bring your spouse or children. 4. If you're a refugee or asylum. Unfortunately, some people are living in tough times. If you're a refugee or asylum, you can get a green card after 1 year. A refugee is someone that moves to the United States because of either natural or political hardship in their country. An asylum is someone that is going through a more personal hardship in their country, such as religious persecution or being the victim of an unjust law. A refugee is required to get a green card after 1 year, but an asylum is simply allowed to apply for one if he or she wants to do so. 5. If you win the green card lottery. The green card lottery is probably the most surprising ways to get into the States. The technical name for it is the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program. This program is designed to raise diversity in the USA. Each year, 50,000 visas are given randomly to citizens of countries that don't normally immigrate to the US. Once they are selected, they complete the rest of the process with the help of the US Immigration Services. That's how to get a green card. What happens after getting a green card? Once you have one, there are few things to keep in mind, like, for example, as a green card holder, you have some benefits. It proves your eligibility to work, allows you to apply for both a social security card and driver's license. While with other visas or US immigration status, leaving the US may cost you your benefit of living in the States. If you're a green card holder, you are allowed to live in USA as often as you like, as long as you are not gone for longer than 1 year. But maybe the greatest benefit of all is that you are also eligible to start the citizenship application. Before you can apply for naturalization, you must have held your card and lived in the US for at least 5 years. Speak and write English. Have sufficient knowledge of the US history because you will have to pass the naturalization test. Once you are a citizen, you will get all the rights and responsibilities of every US citizen. If you do not submit a citizenship application, you must apply to renew your green card. Keep in mind that you are required to renew green card. If it is a 10 years green card, it will need to be renewed every 10 years. And you should start the process at least 6 months before it expires. If it is a 2-year card, you can't renew it, but you can try to remove the condition on it as long as you start the process at least 3 months before it expires. Hopefully, the details and information presented in this video is helpful. Please share this information with family and friends who may need it. You can also help us spread the message by sharing it on all social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!